Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ishu and in this video, I'll be talking about causes of CKD. Well, let's first know what CKD is. So, CKD or chronic kidney disease, it is a progressive condition that is characterized by gradual loss of kidney function over time. So there are many causes responsible for CKD. There are many underlying conditions responsible for it. But today we'll discuss about 7 most common causes of CKD. So here are the 7 causes of it. Number first is diabetes. Diabetes is the most common cause of CKD or chronic kidney disease. High blood sugar levels in the body damages the small blood vessels in the kidneys and it ultimately leads to decreased kidney functioning or decreased ability of kidneys to filter the waste. Number second is hypertension or high blood pressure, which is the second most common cause of CKD. High blood pressure weakens the blood vessels in the entire body, including your kidneys, and leads to decreased kidney function. Number third is glomerulonephritis, which is the inflammation of the glomeruli, that are the tiny filters in the kidneys. So it impairs the kidneys filtration system or the kidneys ability to filter the waste and toxins from the body. Next is polycystic kidney disease, which is a genetic disorder that causes the buildup of cysts in the kidneys. When these cysts grows big or too many cysts develops in the kidneys, it expands the kidneys and causes decreased functions of the kidneys. Next is your recurrent kidney infections. Chronic or repeated infections in the kidneys causes scarring in the kidneys and leads to eventual loss of kidneys functioning. Next cause is obstruction in the urinary tract. So conditions such as kidney stones, tumors or enlarged prostate causes the blockage or obstruction in the urinary tract, which causes the back pressure in the kidneys and eventual damage. Number 7 cause of CKD is your prolonged use of medications. So long-term or prolonged use of medications such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, antibiotics or your chemotherapy, it can cause damage to the tissues of the kidneys. So these are the 7 most common causes of CKD or chronic kidney disease. So early detection is important as CKD doesn't show any noticeable symptoms in its initial stages, and management of these conditions is very important, is very crucial in order to slow down the progression of CKD. Thank you.